Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul mio canale YouTube, sono Bukola. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to fill the Assegno Unico application online. Assegno Unico or Assegno Universale, which is called the Universal Check in English, is the economic measure to support families with dependent children. So this check is valid from the 7th month of pregnancy until the 21st year of each dependent child. And to obtain this check, you will need a valid ISEE, even though it is not compulsory. In the absence of ISEE, you will only be entitled to the minimum amount provided. So the request for the single universal check can be submitted starting from January 1st, 2022. You can fill this online yourself, which is very simple, or you can go to the patronato to help you. Doing it yourself is so easy, and today I will show you how you can go about it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the INPS website, which is www.emps.it, or you can just simply go to Google and type INPS. So you click it, click the link, and you click enter in my INPS to log in. And to log in, I'll be logging in with my SPID. Entra con SPID. Ok, acconsento. Okay, so now that I'm in, I'm going to go to this search area and type Assegno Unico Universale, as you can see here. So you go to Servizio. Guys, you might be hearing my child's voice in the background, okay? So bear with me. Assegno Unico Universale. Okay, so now that I'm here, there is nuova domanda. So aggiungi figli a domanda già presentata. This for new the new application, or you want to add a child to the application you've presented before. If you are like a tutor of the parent, maybe you want to help a parent to apply for this domanda, for this application, you can click here. And if you're an adult already, if you're already 18, you can fill it yourself, and by clicking Nuova domanda come figlio maggiorenne. And if you want to consult the application you've presented already, you can click here. If you want to read more about what Assegno Unico Universale is, you can click here. Okay, so now we click on Nuova domanda. Ok, so as you can see, it says in assenza di ISEE al momento della domanda l'assegno è calcolato con l'importo minimo previsto dalla normativa. So this means that, I already told you before that to obtain this check you will need a valid ISEE, even though it is not compulsory. So in the absence of ISEE, you will only be entitled to the minimum amount provided. Okay, so here presento la domanda in qualità. So are you the parents? Are you a foster parent, or you are just the guardian of a child? Okay, so I will click genitore and I will add the codice fiscale of the child. Okay, so I will add here, I declare. Okay, so here by clicking here, it means you are declaring that the child is dependent minor, okay, that the child is dependent to you, okay, that the child non è maggiorenne, is not an adult, ok? So dichiaro che il figlio Is the child disabled? No. So here it's asking you a few questions, that both parents are living together with this child in the nuclear family, or the child the parents are separated or divorced, or they are not living together. Here it says il nucleo familiare del figlio comprende uno solo dei due genitori. So maybe it's a single parent. You can if you're a single parent, you click here. Okay, so I will go with the first one, and I will click here. You have to click the codice fiscale of the parents, that's of the other parents. So it's still gonna ask you a few questions. Here it's saying in modalità di ripartizione dell'assegno. So the first one says, in accordo con l'altro genitore chiedo che l'intero importo dell'assegno mi sia corrisposto in qualità di richiedente. So if you want all the money to be paid to you, like maybe you are already in agreement with the other parents, maybe husband and wife, they already agreed, okay, maybe it's the husband that is going to take the full amount of the check, or maybe the wife is going to take everything, is going to collect everything. So you click here that the both of you have already agreed. That's what the first one means. So the second one means that it will be 50-50. okay, so you are asking that the sum of money, the sum of the check is given to both of you 50-50, like 50% goes to the father, 50% goes to the mother. Okay. And the third one, this one here means that you ask that the 50% should be shared between both parents, and if there is no agreement, you prefer you ask for your own quota to be paid to you. Okay, so I am going to go with the first one, that husband and wife have agreed for one of them, or the father and mother have agreed that one of them will receive the full amount of the full check. Okay, so yeah, you declare that your ISEE is not more than 25,000 euros, and that in 2021 your nuclear family received the assegno nucleo familiare. Okay, so here, in case you want to add another child, you click on aggiungi figlio. Okay, maybe you have more than one child, you do the same thing that I've done here, right? Okay, so this one is to aggiungere figlio. So now I go avanti. If you just have one child, you click on avanti. If you have other children, you click on aggiungi figlio. So I click on avanti. So here you choose how you want to be paid. Is it on your current account, bonifico domiciliato, libretto postale, conto corrente estero, or carta prepagata? So you choose any one you want, and you put your IBAN right here. Okay, so when you are done putting your IBAN, you click your IBAN, you click avanti. So here you have to make some declarations. Okay, like dichiaro di essere in possesso al momento della presentazione della domanda e per tutta la durata del beneficio, congiuntamente dei seguenti requisiti di cittadinanza, residenza e soggiorno. So here you declare that at the moment of the presentation of the application, you are an Italian citizen, or the member of the European Union country, or maybe a family, or you have your soggiorno, you pay tax here in Italy, you are not collecting reddito di cittadinanza, or that you're resident in Italy and all that. So here is to read the regulations, and after reading you click dichiaro di aver letto, you click the both and you click on avanti. So here it's here is a summary of everything that you have filled here. Everything you have filled is a summary. So when you see that everything you have filled is correct, you click on Invia Domanda. And if you're not sure of everything you filled, you click Salva in bozza. So that's to save it as a draft so that you can come back to it to fill it again. Okay, so that's it. If you are sure of everything you filled, you click Invia Domanda. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section or send me an email. I'll try as possible to reply to your mail. Okay, thank you. Like this video and subscribe. Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.